Perfect for offices, waiting rooms, food service, and other hospitality environments, the HID207 continues the excellence established with the Meridian Ice and Water Dispenser series. This compact unit features Scotsman's original chewable nugget ice and is designed with a focus on reliability, sanitation, and ease of use to offer the ultimate ice experience. An intuitive auto alert indicator panel offers clear communication of power, bin full, time to clean, and UV sanitation. When illuminated, the UV LED confirms the water entering the machine is actively being treated before reaching your cup, giving you clean and refreshing ice and water. With health and wellness in mind, key components are made with antimicrobial compounds, further enhancing sanitation of the unit. With the smallest footprint of any Scotsman product, the HID207 can conveniently be placed on a countertop while fitting below cabinets. When placed on ADA-compliant countertops, touch-free and push-button models meet ADA reach requirements. While compact in size, the HID207 boasts category best ice production and 7 pounds of storage. The unique Meridian Series side ventilation design and contoured vents enables it to be flexible in tight installations. The external removable air filter allows for easy cleaning and better efficiency. Designed with ease of operation in mind, user-friendly features include an illuminated dispensing area, smooth stream dispensing to minimize splashing, and removable chutes for easy cleaning. The HID207 also offers the choice of touch-free infrared dispensing or antimicrobial push buttons. All units can be converted to an ice-only configuration with the included snap-on panels. No matter which model you have, the HID207 builds on the strong legacy of the Meridian series. This includes the unique sealed, maintenance-free bearing system, which extends the lifetime of the unit and provides maximum reliability. The drain system, including the removable sink and grill, contains a drain cover designed to prevent clogs and service calls for optimal operation. Behind the sink is the renowned Scotsman unit-specific QR code that details model information and allows access to the operator manual, cleaning instructions, and parts list. The HID207 features a category-leading 3-year parts and labor warranty, further demonstrating Scotsman's commitment to providing premium quality products. Designed with a focus on reliability, sanitation, and ease of use, the HID207 offers the ultimate ice experience. Find out how it can enhance your operation today.